Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm just down here at my mom's making a cough syrup, and the ingredients is 2 cups of distilled water, 1 cup of blueberry, 1 heaping tablespoon of mullein, 1 tablespoon of orange peel, 1 tablespoon of echinacea, 1 tablespoon of mint, and 1 tablespoon of stinging nettle, and as you can see, 2 small to medium sized cinnamon sticks. And I'm just waiting for this to cool down so I can put in the jar, to press it off so I can add my honey. So I gotta wait till it gets below 95 degrees before I add my honey. And the name of this concoction is Pale Winter Moon. And the reason I use blueberries instead of elderberry is because I did not have any more elderberry.